As a water infrastructure operator, do you have a plan for all operational scenarios? What if your machine fails and that causes unplanned downtime? What if your maintenance resources are stressed? Xylem is presenting SAMPro, a technology to solve most of the operational questions you might face. Become a pro. Incorporate into your everyday operation predictive diagnostics powered by artificial intelligence. Xylem's industry-leading software provides real-time insights into systems performance. Get your hands on precise data on equipment reliability, optimize maintenance schedules, and maximize the life cycle of assets while breaking down your OPEX. It's time for you to ease your work. SAMPro optimizes daily operation and total life cycle costs. It predicts equipment failure and facilitates decision-making based on real-time data. SAMPro is easy to install and operates autonomously, delivering quick returns on your assets. Now that SAMPro technology takes care of your challenges, you can focus on daily operations with a complete peace of mind. For more information, contact us.